Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Hamster Kombat app. Let's get started. Once you reach your app store, you're going to go to the search icon there at the bottom, and you're going to search up Telegram. Now, after searching up Telegram, you're going to install the application, and then what you want to do afterwards is log in with your details. Now, once you've logged into your Telegram, you're going to go to the search icon at the top right, and you're going to search up Hamster Kombat. And there you go, Hamster Kombat. So we're going to select that. So now it says, what can this bot do? Unleash your inner CEO. Make your way from the shaved hamster to the Grandmaster CEO of the Tier 1 crypto exchange. So we're going to go to the bottom and you're going to select Start. Now it says, hello, welcome to Hamster Kombat. You are now the director of crypto exchange. So we're going to go to the bottom and you're going to select Play in one click. Now it says, to launch this web app, you will connect to its website. So we're going to click on Start. All right, so here it is. Fedorov Hamster Kombat token will be launched on Ton. Now it says, tap and earn coins. You can use boosters and tricky strategies. So we're going to click on Next. So then you can just read all of these things if you want to. You can invite friends and get bonuses together. Okay, great. And next. Now it says, use coins to get an airdrop at token listing. So we're going to click on Play. So it says, click here to receive the gift of 100 coins. And there we go. Now we have started. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.